Stay right here. Don't touch. That's Hazel's is the green one. Who came? Pepper, back up. Hey Morgan, who came? Yeah. Who's that? You slept a long time. Pepper.
Is it for TD too?
Those are pens, Morgan, so be careful.
Are they pens? Pepper. I want to do this one with stone. What did you get? Big and firm.
Ooh, what else you got?
Okay.
Okay, Pepper?
Where do I see him?
No.
I want to see him.
Okay, Morgan, look at me. Can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.